If you want to know how I use price action to enter my trades and have my winning ratios from this to this, then please stay in, you are in the right place. Now friends, what we are seeing on the screen right now is a chart of US dollar Japanese yen. Now we are going to use price action to analyze the historical moves of the price, meaning that we are going to see where the market price came from, where the market price is, and where the market price is expected to go in the future. Looking closely at the chart on the screen right now, I'm sure that you can agree with me that the market is in a phase of correction. As a price action trader, I'm sure that you understand that the market always moves in three phases. One phase being an impulse, then comes a correction, then comes an impulse. Now it becomes your duty to know the direction of this so-called impulse. Looking closely on the screen, I'm sure that you can see that the price did respect these areas before resisting and going all the way to the downside. Now since the saying that says history tends to repeat itself is my favorite, I do expect the price to resist these same zones as it did in the past. But hold on, let's wait. Seeing the chart more closely, I see a very powerful pattern that is also confirmed that the price has to go down any sooner or later. Are you seeing the pattern now? Do you see it? Now can you tell me what pattern is this? Please, just think, what pattern is this? Well, for those that are completely new, this pattern is known as an ascending pattern, a very powerful seller pattern, especially if it occurs on higher time frame such as this. Since this is a daily time frame, following multi-time frame analysis, we have to go to 4-hour time frame to see how clear this identified seller pattern is. Okay, on 4-hour time frame, you can see that the pattern is very clear, giving us all the indication that we have to look for sell positions. Now this is a trade I personally took with my very small account, since I feel good growing accounts and withdrawing and starting all over again. Then after 4-hour time frame, we go to the 1-hour time frame to view for trend reversal patterns or even continuation patterns, since the price is in resistance zone and is yet to complete the ascending pattern. And this will make one to completely have a normal mind of expecting a continuation pattern. But the market did fail to break the lower high, but instead it resisted to form a double top. Another very powerful trend reversal seller pattern occurred, giving us more and more confirmation that you have to look only for selling opportunities. And for those that like it to play itself, it is advised to only trade double tops once it breaks the neckline. And by neckline, I mean this area. Look careful by what I mean neckline. Now since we all agree that the market is going to the downtrend now, and we know how the market moves in a downtrend, we'll have a plenty of selling opportunities ahead. Since we all know that a downtrend market moves making a series of lower lows and lower highs, to make it that easier for you, you can see how I draw the lower lows and lower highs on the screen. So whenever market retraces to the previous lower low, you place more positions. But it is only if your account balance can handle more positions, and always avoid over leveraging, as there is a saying in Forex that do not overtrade if you're not willing to overlose. Now friends, if you need a one-to-one mentorship or signals, check my WhatsApp number on the description below for more details. If in any case you want me to keep making videos of Forex, Please do subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.